Welcome back to Prudence Coaching English class. Hello students. Here we are providing ICSE, CBSE and WBSE solutions. Today we are going to discuss all the textual question answer from the second chapter of the Gulmohar book, that is Wild Duck. This is the second chapter of class 6 CBSE. Let's discuss all the question answers. Question A. Complete these sentences. Number 1. The boy watched the birds in fascination because watching birds was his passion and he did never see this large number of birds together before. Now the second question. The man was able to tell the boy how the birds would move and which direction they would take because the birds were flying too high in the sky. That means the birds were flying very high in the sky. Third question. The boy took the duck home because he wanted to save the life of the wild duck. Next question. At the beginning, the man was teaching the boy to kill, but in the end, the man found that the boy was a bird lover and could not kill birds. Next question. B. Answer these questions. 1. Here a state had been described and after this it will be followed by a question. You will have to read this sentence first, have to understand the fact, and then according to the question you will have to answer it. Until the birds arrived, the boy barely spoke to the man. Barely means seldom. He only showed interest in what they were doing when the birds started to fly in. Why do you think he did this? Now the answer is, I think the boy did this because being passionate about watching the flight of birds, he wanted to continue it for a long time. Second question. The sky deepened. The water turned black. What is happening here? Describe it in your own words. Answer. In this line, the changeover of the nature has been clearly expressed. It's the time of late afternoon, the sun set down and gradually it was getting dark everywhere. So it seems to the narrator as if the lake water had turned black in color. Now the next question, third one. The boy looked frightened at what he had done. It is followed by the question, what had the boy done and why was he frightened by it? Answer. The boy had shot the leader of the flying wild ducks with his gun. Now the next part of this question is, what had the boy done and why was he frightened by it? The next part is, why was he frightened by it? Answer. Being a bird lover, after shooting the wild duck, the boy felt pity and got disappointed as his own act. So he thought that perhaps he had killed the bird and it made him terribly frightened. Now, the next part, you will have to look after it. The next question, question number 4, you will have to look after it. Question. Do you think the man wanted the boy to look after the duck? Question. Yes, I think the man really wanted the boy to look after the wounded wild duck. Next part of the question is, what makes you think so? Answer. I think so because the man himself told the boy to look after the wild duck and did not forbid him to take care of the wounded bird. Now, the next part of this is, how did the boy react? Answer. The boy reacted angrily and told that he knew it and he would take care of the bird for sure. Now, the next part is, do you think the man expected him to react like this? Answer. No, the man did not expect the boy to react like this as he thought that the boy would be happy at his success. Number 5. A. What was the boy's state of mind when he told his father that he threw away the gun? Answer. When the boy told his father that he threw away the gun, his state of mind was in anger and he decided that he would never use the gun again to shoot a bird. 5b. Do you agree with what the boy did? Why or why not? That means if you are agreeing, you have to state the cause. Answer. Yes, I agree with what the boy did. It's because we should never kill the birds or any other creature because of our mere entertainment or for our mere entertainment. Rather, we should have to save them. The next question. At first, the man got very angry with his son for throwing the gun away. His anger then changed to relief. Why do you think this happened? Now, the answer is this happened because the man finally realized that his son was against hunting and killing innocent birds for pleasure is unethical. His son's superior sense of ethical values impressed him a lot, that subsided his anger and provided him a sense of relief. So finally students, we have discussed all the question answers from this chapter. Thanks for watching this video students, and if you have benefited from this video, then don't forget to subscribe, share and hit the bell icon on the YouTube app. Have a nice day students. Thank you all. Have a great day.